हम जब भी स्टार्टअप्स, इनोवेशंस, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की बात करते हैं तो क्यों हमेशा बैंगलोर, दिल्ली, मुंबई, चंडीगढ़ कभी सिटीज़ में आता नहीं नाम, बैंगलोर, दिल्ली, मुंबई जैसे सिटीज़ का नाम आता है हमेशा। और एक जगह जिसका नाम आना चाहिए बट वो नहीं आता, दैट इज़ पंजाब। सो ये चीज़ को डिस्कस करने के लिए वी हैव मिस्टर सोमवीर आनंद,
Hello.
CEO ऑफ इनोवेशन मिशन पंजाब। सो हाउ आर यू सर?
Sat Shri Akal ji, I know I'm good. How are you all?
I'm fine, sir. I'm fine. Sir, Punjab has always been entrepreneurial. Why did the startup ecosystem emerge later here compared to the cities like Bangalore, Mumbai, metro cities?
I think there were a lot of reasons here. Bangalore, I mean, there's a lot of historical reasons for that. It should have been Punjab. So we had the first semiconductor factories over here. We had, fantastic communication infrastructure because a lot of the early, well, I wouldn't call them startups. I wouldn't call them tech companies. All the early offshoring companies, it was very important for them to have a very fast, reliable connectivity to the US. Business ਉੱਥੇ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ. I think Punjab lost out there. I think Bangalore started with that. And when one company came up, Infi, then you had 100 other companies come around it. I think the problem of Punjab was that we became prosperous too fast and we became prosperous with agriculture. So what happens is if the Pakistani cricket team is fantastic in bowling, they'll continuously, put all their efforts in their bowling department and you know what happens to their batting. Similarly, with the Punjab ecosystem, I think we put a lot of effort into how to ring fence this entire agriculture है आप राइस उगा रहे हो wheat उगा रहे हो उसी को उगाते रह रहे हो वही आ रहा है एफडी बन गई है वो पूरा सिस्टम आपका and that I think is where the issue started. So I think the other places like a Bangalore or even a Hyderabad, they were tech first and look where they are now. I think that's the reason. I think we lost out because our focus was on agriculture and not so much on tech. And yeah.
But don't you think कि let's say कि बैंगलोर, हैदराबाद एंड गुड़गांव वदर थिंग्स की जो आईटी में ज़्यादा सर्विस साइड बिजनेस पे ज़्यादा उन्होंने उस पर कैपिटलाइज किया and आगे आगे उस पर चलने लगे लोग वहाँ पे। सो डोंट यू थिंक कि पंजाब में जैसे एग्रीकल्चर के टाइम एग्रीकल्चर में थे तो यहाँ पे इस तरह का एक सिस्टम बन सकता था, बूम आ सकता था इस चीज़ में कि एग्रीकल्चर को ही लेकर मे बी सम काइंड ऑफ न्यू इनोवेशंस रिगार्डिंग दिस ओनली, बिकॉज इट्स ऑल अबाउट बिजनेस हब ओनली, एक स्टार्टअप हब ओनली, तो स्टार्टअप यहाँ पे भी उस तरह से हो सकते थे। तो इसके अलावा भी कुछ और रीजंस रहे होंगे,
Yeah, I
व्हाट
think
डू यू
it is
थिंक?
all, it is all a network effect. अगर आपको पास यहाँ आप अगर इलेक्शन जीतते हो एग्रीकल्चर से, आपका रोजी रोटी आता है एग्रीकल्चर से, हाफ ऑफ ईस्ट इंडिया विच इज योर बिहार यूपी, दे कीप ऑन सेंडिंग laborers over here to work in these fields. You're anyways in a position where you're so comfortable. So now the next thing is ki now that you're so comfortable and you're making so much money, what to do? And what was that? What to do? Go abroad. It wasn't to build a company here. That's why we started the whole wave of migration to England and then to Canada and to the US. It's not apa uthe jede pehle bande gaye. See, they did not go to flip burgers or drive cabs. They went in very, very secure professions, doctors, engineers, teachers, and they went because we were very comfortable here. So it's a different kind of an immigration. I'll give you another thing. Have you seen how Kerala is doing today? Kerala कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच गया? आप आगे अगर आप कोचीन जाएंगे आपको कोचीन सिंगापुर लगेगा. इट इज सो ब्यूटीफुल. अगर आप उनका इकोसिस्टम देखेंगे स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम तो वो कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच गए हैं. दे आर प्रॉब्ली इफ द टॉप 3 इकोसिस्टम्स इन इंडिया टुडे. क्योंकि उनके लोग जाते थे गल्फ में, हमारे लोग जाते थे वेस्ट पे. अभी वेस्ट में क्या मिलता है? सिटीजनशिप. गल्फ में क्या मिलता है? चपाड़ा. वो गल्फ से सारे वापस आते हैं व्हेन दे आर रिटायर. हम लोग वहीं रह जाते हैं. दे ब्रिंग देयर मनी बैक, देयर एक्सपर्टीज बैक, देयर वे ऑफ लाइफ, देयर कल्चर बैक, एंड वी export it and finish it and finish it and finish it. So today if you ask me what is special about पंजाब, मेरे को पता ही नहीं है यार. क्योंकि कोई डिफरेंस ही नहीं है पंजाब में या जम्मू में या हरियाणा में या हिमाचल में, सब एक ही लगता है आपको.
कोई यूएसपी नहीं है, कोई
कोई
डिफरेंस नहीं
यूएसपी
है,
नहीं
हाँ।
है. बिकॉज जो हमारे यूएसपी थे, पीपल लाइक यू, आप लोग रह गए हो, बट लुक एट योर क्लासेस, कितने लोग रह गए हैं? कोई नहीं रहा ना. दैट इज वाई. सो अगर स्टार्टअप हब नहीं बना है, अगर इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन नहीं हुई है, हमारी गलती है. हम कोई था ही नहीं यहाँ पर करने के लिए.
मेरे को लगता है उस टाइम लोगों को बेस्ट केस ऑप्शन ये दिखा कि वी आर डूइंग वेल इन एग्रीकल्चर एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ
करेक्ट.
थिंग्स। तो उसके बाद चलो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू सम अदर लाइफ, या वहाँ जाके एक्सप्लोर करें, ऐसा देखें तो आई थिंक सो मे बी इस साइड पे आई वोंट से कि माइंड नहीं चला लोगों का, बट ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एंड लैक ऑफ इकोसिस्टम जो हम बोलते हैं, तो इस करके लोग ज़्यादा माइग्रेट होने
करेक्ट।
शुरू हो गए।
आप पूरे इंडिया में देखें, ऑल द टॉप कंपनीज आर मेड बाय पंजाबी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स ना। आपकी जो सबसे सही कंपनियां हैं वो आपके टीसीएस किसने बनाया? मिस्टर कोहली ने बनाया। वो कोहली साहब कहाँ के थे? बंगाल के, असम के, बर्मा के, कहाँ के थे वो? ये थे, यहीं के थे ना, सीना पंजाब के। your new age companies, I'm not even going to talk about your old guys like your Airtels and your Munjals and वो आप छोड़ दीजिए, आप नए वाले बंदों को भी देखिए। एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इज इन आवर ब्लड।
ओला, जोमेटो।
बट हमारे में एक चीज है कि हम पंजाबी ना अड़ते नहीं है। तो अगर आपने बोल दिया कि यार तू ना लुधियाने में नहीं कर पाएगा ये, तो बोलेगा ठीक है, आपको लगता है नहीं कर पाऊंगा तो आप अपना लुधियाना रखिए, मैं जा रहा हूँ बैंगलोर। दैट इज द वे द यंग गाइज फील। सो विल कम टू उसको ठीक कैसे करेंगे, बट दैट इज द वे द यंग गाइज फील टुडे, कि आपने सक्सेसफुल होना है। यू गाइस आर गोना बी सक्सेसफुल। आप अपने पेरेंट्स से नहीं डरते तो आप मेरे से क्या डरेंगे? बिकॉज आप एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप है ना, आपके घर वाले ये तो नहीं कहते कि खुद अपना काम कर। वो तो यही कहते होंगे आईएएस बन जा, डॉक्टर बन जा, कोई नौकरी लगा ले, इलेक्शन डिपार्टमेंट में आ जा, डीएसपी बन जा, कुछ ऐसे कर ले जो विल बी सेफ एंड सिक्योर। बट यू से आई विल बी एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, एंड इफ आई एम टेलिंग यू आप पंजाब में नहीं कर पाओगे क्योंकि नेटवर्क नहीं है या पैसा नहीं है या यहाँ पर 100 चीजें नहीं है सपोज, तो आप बोलोगे ना मैं तो जा रहा, आई एम गोइंग टू दिल्ली, बैंगलोर, वेयरएवर आई एम। दैट इज व्हाई वी आर स्लाइटली लैकिंग बट नॉट एनी मोर।
Punjab have a very strong culture of seva, right? I think we see langars. Uh, Me growing up, we have seen doing chabeels in summer days. Do you think that mindset helps entrepreneurship or it somewhere holds it back?
What a wonderful and beautiful question. My body is shivering right now. What is entrepreneurship? A Lala company can never succeed where the sole focus of the Lala is to collect as much equity for himself as possible. A startup is all about sharing. When you start a company, you always say that I will own 30%, there'll be 50% in ESOP, there'll be some investor. Everyone makes money when the company is successful. Everyone has a job for the longest term. And that is the best thing about Punjab. Look at our industries over here. Each one of them is till about a 500, 800 crore mark, we are very equal. If you look at the history of our state, आपको कम्युनिज्म कहाँ शुरू हुआ था? बंगाल में और पंजाब में, क्योंकि हमको पहले ही पता था कि यार ये मेरे में और आप में, और जो बंदा हमारी कॉफी बना रहा है, जो बंदा हमारी गाड़ी चला रहा है और जो बंदा एयरपोर्ट पे कहीं लगा हुआ है, उसमें कोई फर्क ही नहीं है। हम सब सेम है। हम सब उतना डिफरेंस होगा कि 50 साल पहले किसी ने यहाँ जमीन ले ली और किसी ने वहां जमीन ले ली, उसकी 10 करोड़ की होगी, आपके 100 रुपए की रहेगी। दैट probably could be the only difference. So we realize we are very equal. So when we start a company, हमारे में कोई hierarchy नहीं होती है। Everyone it's one huge community that works, and that whole seva angle is very important. Look at my organization. We ran out of money 3 years ago. Any other state would have said कि भाई बंद करो, चलो आप जाओ। 3 years ago we ran out of money. We got our funding a year ago. So for 2 years we were left without funds. What did we do? हमने अपनी सेवा कराई थी। So we got our chairman, which is Mr. Bhasin. He told us कि तुसी बंद ना करना. Do not close. I will pay you. He gave us 2.5 crores for those 2 years. Right? He gave us 25 lakhs a month. That's the kind of, what do I say? That's the kind of bhavna that exists in people towards Punjab. Everyone wants this place to do well because they know this place is like in the universe, there's a place where stars are birthed. Then they'll go and settle wherever. That is what Punjab is. We birth greatness over here. And then we let them go wherever they want to in the world and do what they want to. So, yes, that thing of Seva is very, very strong.
You went to ISB, right? Uh, do you think that that actually gave you an edge over, or is it just overrated in today's
I
setup?
loved ISB. चलो मेरे को आईएसबी के ज़्यादा वो नहीं करनी है अभी। आई डोंट वांट टू डू marketing for them, but it changed my life. The reason it changed my life is, I went to Thapar before that, so I did my engineering. Well, that changed my life first because I'm from a very protected you lived in Chandigarh. We are very protected over here. यहाँ रोड सीधी है तो सीधी है, वो दूसरे रोड से मिलती है तो 90 डिग्री पे मिलती है, 85 पे नहीं मिलती, 92 पे नहीं मिलती है। वो वी आर वेरी स्ट्रेट इन आवर थिंकिंग, सो वी आर वेरी रेजिमेंटलाइज्ड। आपको अगर बास्केटबॉल खेलना है तो आपको पता है, उठोगे यहाँ से 6 मिनट लगेंगे वहां जाने तक, वहां से 2 मिनट में चेंज होगा, फिर मैं बास वी आर अ वेरी रेजिमेंटलाइज्ड। थापड़ फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम लाइक 30 पीपल आर शेयरिंग वन टॉयलेट। मेरे को समझ नहीं आती थी यार ये कैसे जिएंगे कैसे जिएंगे। 4 साल जिए और बहुत मजा आया। देन आई वेंट एंड वर्कड इन केरला एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हेन आई गॉट इनटू आईएसबी आई डिडंट वांट टू गो टू आईएसबी। I gave my GMAT for one reason, which is to to go to the US and stay there. My like every good Punjabi boy, I had extracted a promise from my parents कि मैं तेनू भेज दांगा जे तेरे नंबर ठीक आ गए। वो मैं कर लिया सी। And I worked really hard, but my father was my father and my mother especially was one level smarter than me. So when I got good marks, they said, "Hey, there's a college in Punjab, तो वो हैदराबाद में try तो कर एक बारी, नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा, who cares about it यार?" वो हो गई। Then they were like, "तो उसके बाद चले जाना abroad." So that is my, that is the reason I continued staying here because my parents kept on throwing the carrot further down the line. Yeah, the ISB was fantastic. I was interacting with people from all over the country. Some of my closest friends today are from ISB. Um, it puts a lot of things into perspective क्योंकि आपको लगता है आप सुपरस्टार हो। हमारे में ना ईगो बहुत वो हमें ठूस-ठूस के भरा है कि हम सुपरस्टार हैं। तो हमें लगता है हम सुपरस्टार हैं। अब वहाँ जाओ तो आपको फिर पता लगता है सुपरस्टार होते कैसे हैं। Right? It allows you. So the great thing about engineers are. So I'm going to take this a little. I'm going to make this a little long. The great thing about engineers are, they can do everything in one night. आप बोलो कि मेरे को पिरामिड्स बनाने हैं, कहता है सर आप फिक्र ना करो 2 साल हैं। वो 2 साल के लास्ट डे पे वो रात को उठेंगे बोलेंगे यार वो करना था कुछ अभी करते चलो साथ रेडी हो जाओ। राइट, दैट्स व्हाट दे कैन डू, एनीथिंग इन वन नाइट। I think MBAs can do anything in an hour because the way our the energy over there, the pressure over there, the finding yourself like in the US they go to college to find themselves. I actually found myself, who I was, what I wanted to be in life, what I wanted to do probably in an ISB. So it's very close to me. And after I went, my family thought कि अगर इसकी होगी तो सबकी हो जाएगी. So my sister also went. I had a whole bunch of family and friends who went. So it became a family thing for us. But yeah,
But if we remove ISB from your journey, do you think it would change anything for you?
I don't know. I don't know.
He will be settled in USA.
नहीं उतना मेरे को था कि I wanted to come back. I was in the US. I was in the US for a very long time. I wanted to grow old in India यार. I wanted to grow old in चंडीगढ़. मेरे को ना वो अंकलों जैसे ओल्ड होना था, फिर बैठे हो पार्क पे हा सवेरे शाम करना थोड़ा, फिर हर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी पे गालियां निकालनी, ये गधे हैं, वो चोर हैं, ये बकवास है, ये इन्होंने खराब कर दिया, नो आई एम जोकिंग। आई वांटेड टू ग्रो ओल्ड इन इंडिया बिकॉज़ आई वांटेड टू ग्रो अराउंड फैमिली। आई एम वेरी क्लोज टू माय फैमिली। I'm very close to my extended family, friends who we call family. You know, I have 30 Masis in Chandigarh. None of them are real Masi, but they're all my mother's close friends. You know how it is in
Yeah,
Punjab, right?
yeah.
You become very closely
Exactly.
entwined, and ठीक है, it's fun यार, एक ही जिंदगी है, तो you need to enjoy yourself.
What kind of startups are actually coming out of Punjab? Let's touch on that side of.
We're seeing a lot of lifestyle products, right? So a lot of D2C companies are coming out, a lot of food, a lot of cosmetic, and these are the guys who come to us for help. These are the guys that you will, these are the regular startups that you think of. But what's happening is a little peculiar, and I'll kind of help explain this to you. आप जहाँ बैठे हैं अभी, we are about 2 kilometers from the airport. But in this location, you are 2 hours away from IIT Ropar, Peck, Thapad, ISB, Naipar, Nabi, ISER, IIT Mandi, IIM Jammu, IIM Amritsar. Look at the entrepreneurial brain in this area. आप दिमाग देखिए कितने लोग हैं यहाँ जो रिसर्च कर रहे हैं, जो पढ़ रहे हैं। हमारे यहाँ कंपनियां हैं। there's a gentleman from Bengal, he's building a AI, he works in a AI company over here. So I asked him, यार तेरे को वापस नहीं जाना, तू वहाँ कलकत्ता में रहेगा? वो कहता, I studied in Ropar, I want to now stay in Mohali. That is what is changing. So you're seeing a lot of these high-end guys coming here. When I say high-end, the high-end skills. So the other set of companies you're seeing from here are in deep tech, AI, and not AI कि ये मेरा एक ऐप है, आप इस पे बस इसको हेलो हाय बोलिए, आपको पूरा बता देगा कि आपका शेड्यूल क्या है, आपका बैंक बैलेंस, द थिंग्स वी फाइंड एक्साइटिंग, which is actually not exciting because that's the one that will not make money. What will really make money is model training, basically building picks and shovels for the AI industry. And we see so many of these guys here. IIT Ropar itself has a 300 crore grant towards AI in agriculture. So we are seeing a lot of these kind of companies. So like I said, at one level, they're lifestyle companies, good आपको बेच रहे हैं, सैनिटरी नैपकिन, एनीथिंग व्हिच इज इजीली टू D2C and it's a new product and it's not a new product, it's a differentiated product, but you've seen a version of it. But the high end is the real, automatic driving, so vehicles which automatically measure the smoothness of a surface of a road and tells you कि ये 10 किलोमीटर में आपके पास 4 होल्स हैं, इनको आपने फिल करना है, इसमें इतना मटेरियल लगेगा, सो दैट व्हेन यू गिव द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट टू द गाय, वो आपको बुद्धू नहीं बना सकता. So that is the kind of stuff we are doing over here. Really interesting, really exciting.
What do you think about experiential? Is there scope for experiential businesses in Punjab?
Yeah, life is about experiences. It is all about experiences. I'll give you an example. We went to Paris last year, and I thought कि यार मेरा ना अभी FD तोड़नी पड़ेगी because it's going to be very expensive. And I thought to myself, the most expensive thing will be shopping. We'll shop, we'll eat good food. The most expensive thing were those rides and those balloons and those Eiffel Towers. It's all experiential, right? So from a Punjab point of view, look at the kind of stuff that can happen over here. The problem with a lot of experiential stuff is very local. So you will need a lot of people coming in, and you will need that kind of infrastructure. But it is the new, it is what people are going to spend on after traveling. So when you travel from one place to the other, now utte ki karoge? You can sit in an air conditioned room and feel Kasauli ki hawa or Simla ki hawa. You can go to a pool, a fancy pool, and have the Bali feel,
Fancy Airbnb and Bali
fancy
feel. हाँ
Airbnb.
हाँ.
But you need to go out and actually experience something. So whether it is food, it is culture, it is excitement, or air drop, that I feel there's a huge scope, and that's a huge employment generator. I mean, just unbelievably large employment generator, because it generates employments in the villages and in the rural countryside, and people stay there, which is just fantastic for us.
सो आई रेड समवेयर कि पंजाब से जो भी नए स्टार्टअप्स न्यू एज स्टार्टअप्स निकल रहे हैं, सो इट्स बेसिकली ऑलमोस्ट ऑलमोस्ट 50% जिसमें वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स इन्वॉल्व है. सो व्हाट आर योर take on that? Is it true or no?
100%, यार. Women are the backbone of this state. You and I both know, we are all men. हम बस जिंदगी भर पापा ये दे दो, पापा वो दे दो. It is the woman who actually goes ahead and does the work.
या बिल्कुल.
I'm blessed. I live with my wife, my mother, and my 2 daughters. Basically, मैं कुछ नहीं करता हूँ घर पे. ठीक है? And another thing I'll talk to you about, the women entrepreneurs that you're seeing today are not women entrepreneurs who are working कि मैं सूट बना रही हैं या मैं खाने दे कम. They are doing freaking unbelievable stuff when you're looking at them. So I'm not surprised, because I know how awesome they are, and I know there is a difference between men and women. It's just that women are way more trustworthy than men and way better workers. Men, I wouldn't trust myself.
आई थिंक वुमेन आर बेटर एट सम टाइम. मेरे को लगता है कम्युनिकेशन इज ऑल्सो
Empathy.
The emotional part of
वो empathy होता है.
हाँ
EQ.
empathy
वो एम्पैथी होता है. उनको ये भी पता है क्योंकि उनके बच्चे, उनको पता है कौन झूठ बोल रहा है. So that feeling is there कि इन्हें ना चिपाड़े लाने मैं हूं कास के, right? But there is this feeling of empathy that I know. Don't worry, we'll figure it out. You get this done. They get the boat moving. Men get to own the boat. वो खड़े रहेंगे, आई एम द बेस्ट, इतने जिथे हैगी उधर ही हैगी, डजंट मैटर. बट मैं इधरों नीचे नहीं हो सकता. मतलब आई एम द गाय सिटिंग ऑन द टॉप. The woman would be less collectively move it forward. So if I have to invest, so we invest a lot at IIM Punjab. So it's not a criteria, but if it's a woman founder and we're stuck somewhere in the middle, we'll let it tip over and we'll say, yes, we will invest.
Do you think most founders choose ideas, or do they chase trends these days?
Yeah, the way trends change, that if anyone who's chasing trend is just chasing only. So, I say this very often, that there are so many influencers today that you'll find who are Web3, now they're AI influencers. 6 months pehle the Web3 influencers, then crypto influencers, then I know everything about this market, blockchain, to tusi mere to sikho. You want to do traceability, I'm the guy. So many people, and there's a market for them. I mean, there is, Rakhi Sawant also acts, no? So there's a market for every type of product, and I really like Rakhi Sawant. Sorry, but there's a really, there's a market for every type of product. So there are people who keep on chasing trends. Uh, but I'm gonna say something. I don't think that anyone who either chases trends or builds something क्योंकि उसकी feeling है, like Trump says, I can feel it in my bones, or I can gut feel है. None of those things work. What actually works is if you sit down and you're able to decision tree an entire thing. So let's say you talk about you want to build a product for the Indian student. So what are you building for the Indian student? You to spend a day in his life. If it's a student in a tier 3 engineering college, you know कि इसका कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, इसको कोई नौकरी नहीं मिलेगी. क्यों नहीं मिलेगी? Because no one values the engineering skills. No one cares that he can tell me how to do a C++ code, because guess who can do that also? Claude, right? So I don't need this kid. So if I have to develop a product for him, then I would probably build an experiential product where he learns how to work with his hands and becomes the best goddamn electrician in the entire country. That tomorrow, if you need to be able to set up a panel like we have over here, or fix some, this is the guy you call. And in the end, he's not the guy who actually does the electrical work. He starts there, but then he ends up owning the company if he's smart enough. And so that's what we Indians do in Canada and do in the US. I think that has to start over here. And well, I got to this by telling you about ideas I thought of. So you have to think of these ideas in that way. And that is the right way to build a startup. So if you say कि मेरे gut feeling है और मैं कर रहा हूँ, I don't think it'll work. If you say कि मैं ट्रेंड है जो 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 कर रहा हूँ, I don't think it'll work. I think it has to be a very deliberate exercise where you say I want to do a startup because I want to go through hell. मेरे को अगले 10 साल अपने नष्ट करने हैं, तो मैं आज स्टार्टअप करने जा रहा हूँ. और उसको करने के लिए मैं एक वो वाला टॉपिक चूज करूंगा जो मुझे लगता है सबसे ज्यादा वैल्यूबल है. आई डोंट नीड टू लाइक दैट टॉपिक. I don't need to, feel that topic, the thing, but I feel that is the most pressing thing for a number of people, and hence I will start that. I feel that is the right way to start a company.
सो एट आई एम पंजाब इट्स से कि 4 इयर्स हो गए आई एम पंजाब को. सो यहाँ पे आपको मैक्सिमम लोग ट्रेंड वाले दिखे हैं कि ऐसे पैशन वाले भी दिखे हैं कि वी वांट टू डू समथिंग फॉर द सोसाइटी एंड वी वांट टू डू सॉल्व अ रियल प्रॉब्लम एक्चुअली, नॉट टू फॉलो अ ट्रेंड. सो इसका रेशियो यहाँ पे आई थिंक
I
ट्रेंड का
don't know. What
ज़्यादा
are we?
है.
50-50, I think. Huh? I think we would be 50-50 in
फिफ्टी
people.
फिफ्टी इज स्टिल गुड. आई वॉज मतलब मैं सोच रहा था कि इट्स मोर देन 50% की जो
नहीं,
ट्रेंड
नहीं.
वाले लोग दिख रहे
A lot of people
हैं.
come and they I'll go back to that whole seva thing. So a lot of people want to be gainfully employed. Yeah, none of these people need to do a job for a living. Everybody has 3-4 acres of land, 5 acres of land. They've got a cab, they've got a bus, they've got something, or some government job, something that is happening on the side. So they don't need to die. I mean, it's not that they're dying of thing. They need to keep their brains involved, right? They need to do something for society because they want to do that. So we see a lot of such startups. Our job is to tell them upfront ki whether this is a scalable company, whether this is a lifestyle type company, whether it is a stupid company. वो तीन चार चीजें हम उनको बड़े प्यार से समझा देते हैं. And then after that, if it's a scalable company, we'll help them. If it's a lifestyle company, we'll teach them tools. And if it's a company which I don't think is doing anything, then we'll just say कि सर आप ना बैंगलोर जाओ, वहाँ बनाओ, वो आपके लिए अच्छी जगह है.
On that same tangent, most founders have an idea, right? Then how much an environment plays a role for their success? Like someone who is building in Bangalore versus someone who is building in Punjab. What different in chances?
Pros and cons. I'll do pros and cons for you. So Bangalore is great talent, great visibility. If you want to meet a VC, it's 20 minutes away. I mean, not 20 minutes, it's 2 days away. He's all over the place. Great mentorship, right? And what fantastic weather, right? So it has all those things for you to build. You're paying an engineer 10 lakh rupees a month over there, 10 lakhs a year. I'll just an example. You come to Chandigarh, the same engineer is at 5 lakhs. The ability to get mentored is today at par, if not exceeding a Bangalore or a Delhi. The level of involvement that the government has, let me start off a little differently. I think today a lot of governments have realized that कोई नौकरियां नहीं बची हैं. वो और नौकरियां नहीं दे सकते हैं, वो और डीएसपी नहीं बना सकते हैं, वो और पुलिस में और ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट में और वाटर वर्क्स में और बंदे नहीं भर सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे हमारे फाइनेंसेस अलाउ नहीं करते हैं. At one time, you would have had a TCS or an Infosys come and take up लाइक आई ऑलवेज से, वो बच्चे हजारों में नहीं ले जाते, वो बच्चे किलो में ले जाते हैं कि हमको 2000 टन बच्चा चाहिए, 5000 टन बच्चा चाहिए, राइट? दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ
That is reality.
that
That was
that is
reality.
what
हाँ
used
हाँ
to
हाँ
happen. And you would all get shipped to a Mysore or a Trivandrum where you would sit and try learning some code.
6 months training and then afterwards you shift to other branches की कहाँ पे ज़रूरत है किस
Correct. So that is what would happen. Abhi wo ho raha hai? Nahi ho raha hai, because now Claude is doing all that, and what is that other one? OpenAI is doing all that, right? All these frontier labs are getting these fancy models out, which are going to get better and better and better. So right now you can still say that you need a human in the loop, but यार 10 साल में वो उसकी भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. So जो आपके अभी बच्चे भी employ हो रहे हैं वो भी बंद हो जाएंगे. So I think a lot of states realize that there is a problem. Now, because there is a problem, they need you guys to work on your own. There are no jobs. And I am not seeing large industry come in and buy land at 20 crores an acre and set up, stuff over there. You are from Ludhiana, you know the cost of land. I know the cost of land in Mohali. It is very difficult for that to happen. What is the best thing that can happen is that all of you become entrepreneurs. Work for yourself, work in a way that you at least employ 10 people so that the 10 guys who failed, who couldn't get there, you guys end up employing. Because of that, they're putting a lot of effort into doing all this. So difference in Bangalore or here, at one time Bangalore was the only one who had that effort. Today the entire country has it. So Kerala has it, Pune has it, Indore, Jaipur has it, Delhi, Chandigarh, this whole Mohali region,
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, I mean, the old things, even Bihar, UP, the kind of money that they're giving people to be able to start their own companies and do stuff there is mind blowing. And why is it happening? Like I said, because people realize कि अगर आप अपना काम नहीं करोगे तो आज नहीं तो 10 साल में you will be without a job, boys. It will happen, right? People will be running a billion-dollar company with 4 people, 5 people. Everything else will happen through some sort of AI or some sort of automation or some sort of robotic automation. And these are not abstract concepts कि ये तो ऐसे बोल रहा है कि हम विमान उड़ा के, these are happening. You can see it all around you. It's happening on a daily basis. So coming back to your answer, is that at one time it was very difficult building here. Now I think it is not only extremely easy, it is more profitable building here because everyone, no one wants to spend 4 hours in traffic every day. Yaar. They all want to come to smaller towns and cities. That's why even from a Bangalore, you see a lot of people going to a Chennai or outskirts of Chennai or a Mysore and so on because they want that easy life.
So all the states are realizing they don't have to be Bangalore, they have to be themselves, right? Is there a risk uh, that we are forcing entrepreneurship where it may not fit?
So I want you to understand what entrepreneurship is. I want your audience to understand what entrepreneurship is. So I'll give you two versions. The first is I'm an entrepreneur. पहली चीज मैं की करांगा M4 MacBook 2000 Pro, whatever the super highest Pro. Then I want a iPhone 22 Max Pro super large tablet वर्गा. Then I want stickers, YOLO, till I die code, entrepreneurship 101, ऐसे करके जो स्टिकर के ऊपर
On my
होंगे
laptops.
लैपटॉप के पीछे. And then we will go sit in a fancy Starbucks. 800 रुपए की कॉफी, 850 रुपए की कॉफी लाएंगे. Small biscuit, biscotti, what is all that? Not biscuit. Sorry, guys. Sorry, apologies. Biscotti on the side, and we will keep it there. है ना? We'll dip the biscotti. I don't know if you dip the biscotti or not. I don't know that's a painful thing to do, but I like to dip that biscotti.
I love that. Biscuit.
And then you will sit down and then you will say, now I'm an entrepreneur, write a mail. I want funding. Can someone give me $3 billion for this fancy idea I have? That's one version of entrepreneurship. And I've obviously caricaturized it, but it's something like that. The other version is what your parents did and what my parents did and what all your parents did. Is that they work for themselves because there was literally nothing to do. There were no large companies then. They put you through college. They got you married. They got the house built. They bought insurances. They took you for vacations. Went to Vaishno Devi at the Golden Temple. Met all the mummy chachi thais. They made sure you went to school. Went for holidays. All while working for themselves. This is what our new generation or your generation or my generation needs to realize that अगर आप अपना काम कर रहे हैं आपको उसका फल कोई फ्यूचर में नहीं मिल रहा है बिकॉज फ्यूचर में वी आर ऑल डेड. आपको उसका फल अभी चाहिए और आपको ऐसे चाहिए और एटलीस्ट इन द रीजनेबल द नेक्स्ट 6-8 months span of time so that you can actually you you can live your life with that. Not that is for my fun and my life will come because एक दुकान रेंट देती है 2 लाख रुपए महीना आंदा we are set. right? That is the kind of difference of entrepreneurship I feel uh, 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 is what your audience needs to do. So if you are going to be an entrepreneur who is being forced to, let's say, start selling a fancy version of a soap एंड से कि हमने एक नई मैंने पापा अर्थ करके एक नई कंपनी बना दिया पापा मार्स, और मैं पापा मार्स में ये नया सोप दे रहा हूँ, मेरा कुछ सारा मन नहीं है वो करने में, ना मेरे को मार्केटिंग आती है, ना मेरे को कोई कोलैबोरेशन आती है, बस आई वाज टॉपर इन माय क्लास एंड सबने बोला तू स्टार्टअप कर, इसलिए मैं करने लग गया. Or do you think it's better that I work with a guy who runs the company and I make sure I manage his entire analytics, his entire reporting, his entire thing, because that's what I'm really, really good at. I take 30% of the company. Well, that is also entrepreneurship, right? So when you're doing an entrepreneurial venture, you don't need to take all the risk. You don't need to, first of all, you need to understand what type of entrepreneurship you're doing. And then you don't need to take all the risk. You can join people, and that's how these teams are built. So when your question was that I might not be made for it, if you're going to be working, you're an entrepreneur. Unless you're a researcher, and if you're a researcher, you're still an entrepreneur. You're an entrepreneur no matter what you do in life, because the success or failure of your life is in your hands, which is basically what an entrepreneur is, right? I mean, everything is in his hands. He doesn't believe in, I mean, he believes that God has his hand over him, but he doesn't believe कि वाहिगुरु देगा सब कुछ. He doesn't believe the government देगा सब कुछ. He doesn't believe कि मेरे friend देंगे सब कुछ. He doesn't believe in sitting and crying कि मैंने कुछ नहीं मिला, मैंने कुछ नहीं मिला. He believes in going out there, getting it done, and working with his own hands.
But not everyone can take that much of stress and risk. Not everyone is built for entrepreneurship. So, what are your thoughts on being a, let's say, a fifth or sixth or maybe 10th employee in a startup that is growing? So you learn by being
That's
close
what
to
I'm
those
saying.
people.
That's an entrepreneur. Why 10th? Be the 100th employee. You join Zomato today, you're an entrepreneur. I mean, you're a worker in the sense that you're obviously working because you're getting some sort of, you're an employee. But if you're going to have leeway there to say that, यार आपने इस डिपार्टमेंट में कुछ भी करना करिए, आप फिर entrepreneur नहीं है, आप entrepreneur है. वो जो it's an entrepreneur internally in a company. That's fine. जो हो रहा है वो ये हो रहा है कि इस जनरेशन के बाद there will be no generation who has a 9 to 5 job. The only way you will be able to make money is by strengthening सख्त करना अपने आप को. How do you do that? Is by learning the tools of entrepreneurship. How to start a business, how to get help, how to close sales, how to report, how important are these things, how to raise money, how to scale, how to get these things are taught to you no matter what you do in entrepreneurship. So whether you join a Zomato or you start selling soap at my fancy company Papa Mars, or you know, no matter what you do, these skills will always remain with you. So that is important. So when you said that वो stress नहीं रह सकता, that's fine as long as you start learning these skills, because yeah, at the end of the day, now when you die, Vaheguru does not ask you whether you're an entrepreneur or whether you are a government employee or that. Basically, how happily you lived your life. Right? So if you are going to be an entrepreneur and be stressed out all the time, तो फिर आप कर क्या रहे हो? I mean, you're going to spend all that money in getting yourself fixed and by going to rehab and all that stuff, right? So at the end of the day, it's all about happiness. But I think, and if you learn those skills, you'll just be happier.
स्टार्टिंग में आपने बताया था कि जब कोई बंदा बिजनेस कर रहा है सो बेसिकली ही हैज़ अ विजन, ही डजंट वांट, एक ऐसे भी स्टार्टअप्स होते हैं और एंटरप्रेन्योर्स होते हैं, दे आर लाइक कि मुझे ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है यार सोसाइटी का, पर जो उसका जर्नी है ना बहुत मुश्किल है, पर मैं करूँगा क्योंकि मुझे वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है. सो फॉर द स्पैन ऑफ लेट्स से 2 to 4 years ही इज़ स्ट्रगलिंग हार्ड, हसलिंग और वो सब थिंग चीज़ें डिड, और जिसमें उसको स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, उसको और चीज़ें हो रही हैं, उसको एंजाइटी हो रही है, राइट. सो आफ्टरवर्ड्स जब ही गेट्स द रिवॉर्ड सो ही फाइंड्स कि यार ये पाथ बहुत मुश्किल था बट मैंने कर लिया. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द देम कि जो अगर वो 2 साल लेट से 4 years का स्पैन था तो वो 2.5 year में बोले कि क्या होगी मेरी लाइफ यार, मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा. जैसे आपने बताया कि लाइफ में मज़ा ही नहीं आ रहा यार, कितनी देर तक काम कर लूँगा मैं इस विजन पे, तो वहाँ से लोग वो छोड़ भी देते हैं. सो अब यहाँ पे दो चीज़ें कोलाइड कर रही हैं, तो कैसे आप उसको कैसे समझाएंगे?
दूसरे की थाली में लड्डू हमेशा बड़ा ही दिखता है.
ये तो बिल्कुल सही बात है.
So everyone feels the other guy is living a, a kind of a crazier life. So let me answer this in some other way. Yeah, I'm sitting over here right now and I want to go here, but I'm facing this way, and I start running, and I put all my effort, and I run really, really hard, and I put more effort, and will I ever reach this place? I'll reach this place probably when I complete the entire circumnavigation of the earth and I come back this side. It's only when I reach this place, right? So if your direction is only wrong, no matter how much effort you put into it, you'll go the wrong way. What that basically means is if you want to solve a problem, first thing is figure out who is solving the problem. Can I help him rather than getting into myself? What is my sole focus? Is my sole focus to make money of the problem being solved? Is to make sure the problem is solved? Because if your focus is to make sure the problem is solved, there'll be 100 different ways of doing it. If your focus is on making money while the problem being solved, there are again 100 ways of doing it. But the second way is that let's say if I have to go this way and I'm facing this way, it's a wall, but the door is right there. If I continue breaking this down, do you think I'll ever get there? No. But if I take a small left turn and another left turn, I'm back in that area, right? So again, if you're focused on the problem and you're going at it headway, take a step back for a second and say, "यार मेरे को उधर जाना है. Maybe I can go around this way." So if I want to make sure that Ludhiana is clean, rather than going to the MC and whapping him and saying कि कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, देखो बंदे मरे, maybe I can try a campaign with school children cleaning up the area just around them and showcasing civic sense. So there's a different ways of solving a problem and different ways of getting to your goal. And that is what entrepreneurship teaches you. So if you're going the wrong way, you'll never reach. If you're going the right way, but you're not being able to understand there could be many other solutions to this problem, you won't reach. When I say the words won't reach, you will reach, but you will reach at such an inordinate length of time. So, kya fayda?
दैट्स वाई एवरीवन टेल्स कि यू आर लिविंग इन दैट वर्ल्ड कि जिससे आप दूसरों की नॉलेज और दूसरों की चीज़ों को लर्न कर सकते हो. सो यू शुड रीड देम एंड देन जहाँ अगर वो 1 से 10 पहुंचे तो 10 से शुरू करो फिर आगे.
Life is too short to make all the mistakes yourself.
True.
मेरे एक मेंटर थे तो वो उनकी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की डेफिनेशन बड़ी अच्छी थी. तो उनके एंटरप्रेन्योर मिस्टर जितेंद्र पालमचंदा, तो उनकी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की डेफिनेशन थी कि ब्रिजिंग द गैप्स इन द सोसाइटी. इफ़ यू सी अ गैप समवेयर यू ब्रिज दैट, यू आर एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. और ये कहीं पे भी फिट होता था. सो आई वाज प्रीटी मच इंस्पायर्ड विद दैट कि ये कहीं पे भी फिट होता है. लाइक बेसिकली वी आर डूइंग अ DIY इसमें पॉडकास्ट. सो यहाँ पे भी फिट हो रहा है कि गैप देखा कि कुछ पर्सनली गैप था कि नहीं प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो रही, कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे, तो उसको भी सॉल्यूशन मिला. तो क्या आप छोटे लेवल पे भी एंटरप्रेन्योर बन सकते हो, आप बड़े लेवल पे भी एंटरप्रेन्योर बन
आप हर चीज पे बन सकते हो एंटरप्रेन्योर. आपको घर से ब्रेड, आपको हर रोज ब्रेड लेकर आना होता है घर से, उसमें भी एंटरप्रेन्योर बन सकते हो कि मेक श्योर दैट इज डिलीवर्ड समहाउ,
सकते. ब्लिंकिट
Basically,
यूज करूँ मैं.
if I'm a founder sitting in Punjab today, what actually changes for me because something like Innovation Mission Punjab exists?
so there are many journeys towards entrepreneurship. There's 0 to 1, which is idea generation, failing fast. There's 1 to 10, which is I have an idea, it's quite, lag raha hai theek hai, paper says theek hai, all that stuff says theek hai. Now I need to take it to level 0 to 1 to 10. Product market fit hona chahiye usme, how to get the right client, what my CACs are, put all those things down. And this last journey is from a 10 to 100, which is basically scale, 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 scale. So from a 0 to 1, we are very good. We have failed fast. We've done what, 8 programs, Paneet? 8 programs. We've done ninth cohort is going on right now. So we've done 9 programs. We work in I think 40 colleges and schools. We have a campus ambassador program. So these are all 0 to 1 programs where आपको idea generate कराना सिखाना, how to put them down on paper, how to talk to someone about your idea. Someone said आप कर क्या रहे हो? मैं गुड़ बेचता जी. No. I make sure that I get the cleanest, most awesomely, organically saaf karo good and make them into small toffees so that people can directly. There's a way of talking about these things. So we help do that. From a 1 to 10, now it becomes slightly more cerebral. You need to be more hands-on. So we have more than 150 mentors from all over the country, and these mentors are guys who've done really, really well in their fields. So we do a decode program. So we've done one right now in food. We do one in AI in just AI. Then we do one in agriculture, and there's one which is AI in agriculture. But these three happen as 2 cohorts. We do one in sports, and then one we do, which a question that you asked me, we do one for special women-led entrepreneurs. So these are journeys which will take you from 1 to 10. And the reason we do these is as a cohort is अगर हम सारे के सारे एक D2C प्रोडक्ट में हैं और अलग अलग चीजें बेच रहे हैं, we learn from each other. Life is too short to make all the mistakes
Yeah.
yourself, right? And then when we get to 10, now we have solid companies. These are guys doing 25, 10, 20 crores a year, have 50, between 10 to 50 employees, have good founders and people who are committed to this business. So till here, Punjab is awesome. From that 10 to 100, all we need is more network. You will not have any problem raising money because every VC knows us. Every VC comes here. We have demo days. 150 guys came last time. And usually analysts and associates come, with us partners and principals come, right? So which is really, really good because they actually want to give back to Punjab, and they know that we are not a कॉन्टेस्ट की वो 4 बच्चे आएँगे, आप चाय पियोगे, फ़ोटो खिंचवाओगे, मेडल मिलेगा, अवार्ड मिलेगा,
जीत गई
वो
है।
यहाँ वो ही होता है क्योंकि वो फ़ोटोएँ जाती हैं तो सबको कहते हैं, "ये देखो कितना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं।" आप रिज़ल्ट देखिए क्या होता है एंड में, राइट? Um, it's not it will take us about 4 to 5 years more to get to that 10 to 100, but for every entrepreneur who's building it, उसको भी वो 10 to 100 जर्नी जो अभी शुरू कर रहा है, उसको 5 साल में होगा. By that time, we should have enough network with enough people staying here so that this starts happening organically. So that no matter where you go, whichever Starbucks you go to, or you bump into these guys, at least they know you, they've seen you. ये बैठ के वही करी जा रहा है, ये कर रहा है कुछ. That's when all that starts making a little more sense.
So basically you are building an ecosystem for the Punjabi entrepreneurs first of all कि और उसको जितना हेल्प मिल सकता है 0 to 1, 1 to 10 और 10 to 100 जाने के लिए. So it इसके अंदर सब कुछ इसमें कवर होता है 0 to 1 से. जैसे आपने बताया प्रोग्राम्स, आई वुड लव टू नो अबाउट मोर अबाउट प्रोग्राम्स कि आपने बता रहे हो 0 to 1 की वो क्या प्रोग्राम्स में, अगर कुछ एग्जांपल कुछ बताना
फेल
चाहें.
फास्ट प्रोग्राम है हमारा. वी हेल्प यू फेल फास्ट विद इन 6 वीक्स. अगर आपके पास कोई प्लान है कि मैंने ये बोतलें बनानी है एल्यूमिनियम की, ये चाइना से बन के आती हैं, मेरे को यहाँ ही बनानी है, आपको 6 हफ्ते में आप फेल फास्ट कर देंगे. बेसिकली इधर यू विल कम आउट से कि क्या आइडिया है, आई विल मेक करोड्स, घर बेचो. और द आइडियाज की इससे घटिया आइडिया, मतलब व्हाट डिड आई ड्रिंक एंड आई थॉट ऑफ दिस नॉनसेंस, क्या हमने किया, ये तो छोड़ो. सो दैट्स द 0 to kind of 1 step, so that you continuously generate ideas. One program, you continuously generate ideas. And how do you do these idea generation? So you have idea generation workshops, you have BMC, business model canvas, that we help you fill up. There is marketing, how to do marketing, right? And this is very simple marketing. Accounts, how the hell do you manage accounts? So again, this is Instagram generation. आपने कोई 15 मिनट से ज़्यादा वीडियो देखनी ही नहीं है, तो हमने भी छोटी-छोटी क्लिप्स बनाई हुई हैं कि उसको कुछ समझ आ जाए. मतलब वी आर लाइक, आई डोंट वांट, आई मीन मे बी यू कैन कट दिस आउट, बट वी आर लाइक मदर्स हू ना, वो बच्चा खा नहीं रहा होता, जाओ देखे मुँह कि अभी कोई थोड़ा खा लेगा, फिर उसके पीछे जाएँगे, जा बेटा सब मुँह के अंदर. So that's what we do. We take a bite sized products and boom, short. कुछ तो रह जाएगा उसके दिमाग में, कुछ तो रह जाएगा. Because all these kids we go and see in Punjab, I feel like they're my children. I feel like they're my younger brothers, right? If I don't do something for them, who the hell will? That's the way all of us in our team feel. Come back to Seva. So that's the way all of us actually feel. Um, the second program we have is a college kind of program where we do a lot of college. Let me give you a stat. Last year we did about 300, no, 365. We did about 350 events last year.
Oh.
350 events.
So if you could think of it, it's
Wow.
literally one event a day. One huge event a day. How the hell do you manage to do so much? Is network effect. So we have now got campus ambassadors in 40 plus colleges all over Punjab. These guys take our bite-sized content and they have a small club where they're able to get more and more people interested. अगर आप एक पूरी इंडिया को या पंजाब को एक ट्रायंगल सोचेंगे, तो ये जो बॉटम मास है, इसको हमने इन्फॉर्मेशन देना है. इसमें से जो इन्फॉर्मेशन लेके ऊपर आएंगे, बोलेंगे कि यार मेरे को अभी करना है, उनको हम फेल फास्ट कराते हैं. फेल फास्ट से जो ऊपर आएंगे उनको डिकोड कराते हैं. उसके बाद हमारा जो फ्लैगशिप एक्सेलरेटर है जो अभी चल रहा है, व्हेन डिड वी क्लोज इट, आई थिंक अ वीक अगो, our flags, we've selected 15 companies from all over which are going to be scaled in Punjab. So that's the triangle, and we've done this 4 times over. आप इसी प्रोसेस को करते रहें and you see how the way Punjab changes. आप अभी देख लें, आप लुधियाना में देख लें, how many angel investors are there today? At one time, if you took money from an investor, वेरी फेमस इन्वेस्टर्स, वो आपको बोलते थे मेरे को महीने का कितना मिलेगा, एंड यू टेलिंग हिम कि सर आपको शायद 0 मिले एंड में भी, बिकॉज दिस इज एन एंजल इन्वेस्टमेंट, इट्स प्रॉब्ली गॉन. बट इफ इट डजंट गो, that 5% chance it doesn't go, this 1 lakh will become 100 crores. So that is, and in the end, you should not be motivated by greed. You should be motivated by, yeah, I am going to now invest this money rather than having a fancy meal at a Michelin star. Let me invest this money in a startup. Because if this guy does well, he'll employ 100 other people who then will buy the same t-shirts I make, or will buy the same cycles that I manufacture, right? That, I mean, that's a terrible way of thinking about it, but that is the way to that's the what we are seeing in Ludhiana also now with the whole angel investors and things. So we are seeing a lot of ecosystem constituents which are required come together and
Nice.
Talking about awareness, recently Karan Aujla launched his brand Zero Zero. Uh, do you think pop culture, like Punjabi pop culture, should it, like singers, actors, people like these, should they help to push the startup culture, or would it just create hype and attract the wrong audience toward the culture?
I do not know who Karan Aujla is. I have never heard a song in my life. I just know उसका यहाँ concert हुआ था जो
Yeah.
पागल हो गए थे लोग टिकटों के लिए. That's all I know about him, right? I don't want people in my state to be singers. I don't want them to be dancers. I don't want them to be, because all that they do is they'll sell a kilo of land and they'll cut an album and they'll pray, pray, pray. I don't like these pray and pray kind of things. We are more deterministic than that. If it's a Karan, I don't. I don't. I think these guys are great entrepreneurs, by the way, right? Look at what they've done for themselves. Look what they've built for themselves. Like I said, I don't know who he is, but I do know that he's very famous. He's very, everybody wants to be in his concert and also. If you are,
By the way,
huh?
I'm a fan.
Oh,
By
if,
the
okay, brilliant. Like I said, I'm so sorry. I don't know these guys. But if I had a T-shirt which says Karan, I would never wear it because my name is Somveer Anand and not Karan Aujla. But if you want to wear his t-shirt, what a brilliant, I mean, of course you should start. But here is where I want to plug in my entrepreneur. If he should start, he should basically say that, can I find an entrepreneur in Punjab who will do this for me? Because उससे तो नहीं होगा. क्यों नहीं होगा? Because उनका primary काम है गाने गाना and I think whatever, I don't know what he does. But this secondary bit of monetizing his name, like HRX, you know HRX? Hrithik Roshan? Where do you think he's made his money? He's made 1,000 crores in HRX. I mean, you could do 10 of those things and yet he wouldn't make even 1% of the money he's made on HRX, right? So he's taken his name and monetized it. So if all these guys in Punjab can take the name and monetize it using our boys and girls, great. But I don't want our boys and girls to be that.
I'm talking about people follow these people. Like, I am listening to them, we are watching the movies. People like these talking about these things.
So it'll really help. It'll really help because you follow them. I want to get to a world where you don't follow them. I want to get to a world where you follow a Gary Vaynerchuk as much as a thing, where you follow who's a famous Indian guy I'd like, Puneet Jindal from Labeler, right? If you follow him online, because the kind of stuff he talks about AI with as much gusto as you follow a Kiara Advani online. So that is the heaven of what is it, no, I don't want to call it intelligence or something, but that is where I would like to see our state go. Your question on should these guys talk about entrepreneurship? Yes, they should. But I agree with them? Answer is no. Every time Shah Rukh Khan tells me to eat gutka, I tell him, तू साले खाना पहले पहले आप खाइए और जबान केसरी करिए अपनी, फिर आप मुझे करवाइए ना. आपकी जबान तो केसरी है नहीं, आप तो माउथ मतलब. So why are you giving me cancer? So let these jokers first do it for themselves and then I will do it. So if these singers, let me just leave it at that. So I want them to be able to do it for them. Like I don't trust them. So tomorrow Shah Rukh Khan telling me ये जुराबे पहनो, मैं कहा तूने ये भी नहीं कहा था जबान केसरी करो, अब मैं तेरे को believe नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Right? So I need them to be also a little more real about life and real about what they tell us. So if these singers are telling me that आपने ये कोक पीना है या आपने ये लेमन ड्रिंक पीनी है, जो भी है, तो आई ऑल्सो थिंक कि मेरे को बोल क्यों रहा है. बिकॉज अगर मैं वो पीऊँ तो विल आई सिंग लाइक यू, अगर मैं पीऊँ विल आई लुक लाइक यू, अगर मैं पीऊँ विल आई बी लाइक यू, अगर नहीं तो आई डोंट वांट टू डू दैट. आई मीन आई एम सॉरी, आई एम टेकिंग ऑन टू अ टेंजेंट. I'm sure you can edit this out.
Well, to not push it, I was actually asking about not the brand endorsements. I was talking majorly about these people pushing entrepreneurship in like Punjab, like
It works,
build
यार, it
from
works.
that.
But I need to know why are they pushing it now? इनका क्या है उसके अंदर? Are they entrepreneur that they're pushing it? If they are, perfect. But if they are not, then then there's some ulterior motive.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
That's my thinking.
If someone is starting today in Punjab, what are the real disadvantages they'll face?
Now, yeah, biggest disadvantage is goddamn airport.
What?
Is
God,
this airport?
airport.
I mean, it is a shame. पंजाब ने सुखदेव खड़ा करता. That's all I can say. If we spent 700 crores, I think those are the figures, if I'm not mistaken, a year in sending Punjabis from all over Punjab just to Delhi. You know that? If we could put that airport in Chandigarh or in Ludhiana, it would completely change this way. You're from Ludhiana, right? You're an industrial guy. So you come to me and I'm sitting in Chennai and you say, sir, we make the best goddamn cycle parts in the world. Up aa jao. मैं कहता हूँ आ जाता हूँ. First I book a flight to Delhi. Then I book a flight to Chandigarh. Or I book a train to Ludhiana. And then I get off. And if the farmers have blocked the way in the middle to Satnam Baiguru, then no one can do anything. Who will want to do business? That is the problem. We need to get more connectivity here. We need to tell our industrialists that, guys, we're standing right behind you, which I think the current government does, by the way. I think if you know Mr. Sanjeev Arora, he's actually doing a lot of that stuff, right? And he's from Ludhiana, so you should know that. Saying that we will stand behind you. We had the Progressive Punjab Summit a few days ago. Massive success. But I want to now take that massive success and say that we are going to make sure that there are 100 flights from Chandigarh Airport. And Chandigarh Airport opens to, well, not now to Dubai and Abu Dhabi, but when the war finishes, to Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Bangkok, Singapore, Tashkent, everywhere around this area.
There are flights, but Dubai और गल्फ में कुछ कुछ जगह फ्लाइट्स जाता है चंडीगढ़
एक
से.
जाती है यार.
दुबई में जो
एक
जाता
जाती
है.
है.
ओके.
एक में क्या होता?
हाँ, एक में तो कुछ नहीं होता.
एक में कुछ, you need 10 flights a day. And where do our boys, we all go to Canada and to Australia and to the US, and why can't those flights come from Chandigarh? That's so. If you want me to know what the difference is, I feel a lot of this should be from Chandigarh. There should be a lot more connectivity.
We were talking about this coming to the podcast. Uh, Punjab is a very happy and joyful place. Do you think bringing entrepreneurship, the stress that comes with it, will change the things around in here?
नहीं यार, it'll give a, if you take a bulldog and you keep it in a room, it'll go mad, yeah. It needs a place to run. We are all bulldogs. We are German shepherds. We are Punjabi shepherds. Oh, we are
I'm
what?
like concerned about our happiness and joyfulness and
Why are we joyful and happy? Think about it. Come, we'll do a quick 2-minute history lesson. Why do you think we are? Because every time we stored something for later on, the buddy Afghan used to come and take it away. Abdali Andasi, Khaya Piya, you've heard those things. No, you've heard those things. So what we became a very exuberant society. If it is a harvest, we'll enjoy ourselves. If someone tries to take something, we'll chop his hands off. We became that kind of very happy, very happy, very happy, but don't mess with me. Right? And why we're very happy? Because we know life is very, very short. Who knows, you might die tomorrow. It's a very Punjab, it's a very border area ethos. Rajasthan is very similar as with the Rajputs. It's a very, very similar thing. I think what entrepreneurship will do is it'll free us. I haven't seen a single Punjabi beg. Have you ever seen a Punjabi beg? कितने आपने देखे हैं जो भीख मांग रहे हैं? हार्डली एनी. आपने कितने देखे हैं जो गुर्बत में हैं, वो गंदी गुर्बत में हैं, जो ऐसी जगह पे रह रहे हैं जहाँ उनके पास ना तो खाने को है, where the women are getting abused on a daily basis, where the men have कोड़े पड़ रहे हैं. No, nowhere. We're a very equal, very awesome society. I think entrepreneurship will allow people a set of tools to be able to work on their own, do what they think is necessary for their own lives. And guys, anyone who goes to Canada doesn't want to go. He'll say he wants to go, he'll say it on your face. Nobody wants to go. Nobody wants to miss. You go there for 2 years, if you don't come back, no, your heart becomes this big. You become half your bloody size. Right? I was in the US in a place where my parents were visiting me every 3 months, and I was married with a daughter every 3 months, and my heart used to break when I used to call home because I wanted to be home all the time. I wanted to be around family, friends. ਉੱਥੇ ਕੋਈ ਲੱਭਦਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਰਗਾ. We will give these people a chance. No, no. We will give them a reason to stay in Punjab. Because I don't want to beg you anymore. I want to sell to you. And I want to tell you that my state is today the number one state in this country if you want to build your own company. So come and build it here, and maybe you'll also be happy if you're staying in your own home.
We were talking about people migrating from Punjab to, for example, a Bangalore or a Hyderabad or a Pune. Uh, People then are also migrating back, as you guys are telling us about that. Uh, they are done there, I guess so. That's why they are moving back and they see opportunity and a joyful life here. That's what I was talking about. Like, when we are pushing it so much, this becomes that, and they migrate back because, oh my god, what happened to Punjab? This was such a joyful state. So
खाओ पियो ऐश
that
करो
that was
मतलब
The thing
just
is
the
that
tangent.
if we become successful, we won't become stressful. That's what happens usually in places. Whenever something becomes successful, it becomes stressful.
A 0.% chance, what do you think can go wrong if we can save that? What would be that? Do you think you can recommend anything to the entrepreneurs that you are still a Punjabi, bro?
I would say that Punjabis are very clear in this entire concept of total happiness. They don't care about peaks. मतलब total happiness चाहिए. सवेरे उठ के मैं golf खेल लिया, शम्मी मैं बंदे नाल बैठ जावां. Every Saturday I have a drink with the family. Things like that. That is what I feel Punjabis are very good at doing. But yeah, the point chances if they don't do that, then we might run the other way. It's like you taking. I have two Great Danes, right? So when they are open in the garden, they're the loveliest dogs. 2 दिन बंद करके रखो ना अंदर, if it's raining outside and all, they become terror. मतलब like you're like, what happened to this dog? It used to be the most. Now it's jumping, breaking things, wants to go out, wants to go out, wants to go out. That's the Punjabi.
सर आपको लगता है कि आई माइट बी रॉन्ग बट जैसे पंजाब का मेंटालिटी अभी भी है बट कि खाओ पियो ऐश करो वाला मैं बात कर रहा था पीछे सो मे बी वो मेंटालिटी से भी जब यहाँ पे एंटरप्रेन्योरल स्पिरिट कम था बहुत और नहीं था मतलब लोग आर ट्रैवलिंग आउटसाइड एंड एवरीथिंग कुछ कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे नहीं रह रहे तो एक वो माइंडसेट करके भी पंजाब का एक लेवल जो दैट यू टॉक अबाउट कि इट वाज ऑन नंबर 1 पोजीशन एंड नाउ इट्स इन 16th पोजीशन सो एक क्या ये भी रीज़न है कि मतलब सिर्फ यही सोच रहे हैं हम कि बस सुबह उठ के ये हो जाए बस ये हो जाए ये मिल जाए बस शाम को बैठ के बात करें बस चलो ठीक है यार ये दिन हमारा बहुत है बस
I think you're correct, but I think that happens at about, like, if you see the number of companies in Punjab at about a 500 crore market size, thousands, hundreds. Above that is handful. I think we become very complacent and very comfortable at that stage. At the early stage, I think we still need a lot before we get comfortable. And the reason is maybe 20 saal pehle what you said was correct. But today there's this very nasty thing called Instagram, which is everyone has. So now I open it up. My daughters also want to wear Onitsuka Tigers. मैंने कहा, your papa used to wear action shoes till he was in college, yaar. I mean, you guys still could buy a Nike. I didn't know what a Nike. I mean, we used to get. My father would buy a pair of Nikes and वो कबड़ में ऐसे रखे होते थे. वो
बिल्कुल
निकलते थे फिर.
Or a second or third copy, maybe.
हाँ
But
शादियों पे निकलते थे सुंदर से शूज़ वो एक सिर्फ शादी पे डालने हैं
jeans, Levi's, you wore a Levi's, you always wore it without a belt. सबको दिखने चाहिए टैग पीछे. And your t-shirt used to be stuck in, पेट निकल रहा है, t-shirt tucked in, मतलब दिखे सबको. और आप ऐसे जा रहे हो, all your hot meals होता था हमारे टाइम पे, right? So we grew up in that. There was not
दैट्स द रीज़न मैं वो बता रहा था कि इस मतलब ये सिचुएशन से एक इमेजिनरी कंफर्ट जोन क्रिएट हो जाता है कि जो फिर लोग जल्दी नहीं छोड़ पाते हैं दैट इज़ द रीज़न कि कोई पुश करने वाला भी नहीं अब एजुकेशन सिस्टम्स आर आल्सो लाइक दिस कि आप ठीक है आप पढ़ रहे हो जाके आ रहे हो घर आके वापस
बड़ा टाइम है यार. उसमें उसमें ना आपको अभी ही विल फर्स्ट नीड टू बिल्ड. सो वो उसको कंफर्ट कभी आने ही नहीं देंगे लोग. क्योंकि जैसे ही वो थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल होएगा उसको बोलेंगे तेरे कोल की है मर्सिडीज GLS, मेरे कोल तो डिफेंडर है, तू फिर चल तू वही रख. वो बंदे ने कहना यार एक ही हो गया, नाउ लेट मी गेट दैट, or now let me get that. So we are very egoistic that way, which is fine. So I don't think we'll ever get into that comfort zone because there's always a little tick tick tick. And if we do, it's fine. He'll have enough to take care of himself. It's fine. Not everyone should be on the rat race. Some people should be on the sides as well. But I understand what you're saying, and I feel what you're saying.
Through Somveer's vision, what would success for Punjab startup ecosystem actually would look like in the next 5 to 10 years?
We have no magic bullet, but we want in the next 3 years a unicorn, anchor unicorn based out of Mohali, which basically then creates 100 companies around it. So we are very focused on trying to do that in a vertical. So what vertical is I don't want to. I mean, it's AI. We want to create an AI unicorn. So, so does 99% of this world. So we are in that kind of thing. But yeah, like we missed every bus. We missed the whole IT bus. We missed the whole, the startup bus. So we cannot miss the AI bus. This we cannot miss. If we miss this, then let's all immigrate. All of us, let's go buy the size of Punjab land in Australia or in Punjab and build another Punjab there. Because then we cannot, itne punches hum nahi kha payenge. We need to do it now. We need to build this goddamn hub. We need to build it not for Punjab. And again, just for your audience, I'm talking about north of Delhi, a Haryana, a Himachal, a Kashmir, a Jammu. I'm from Jammu, right? So the entire area, we need to be able to build that into this entire area into on because we are all entrepreneurial. So we've got the raw material, and the navel of all this has to be Mohali, Chandigarh. This is where everyone congregates. This is where it has to be.
Makes sense. Uh, we have this last segment. It's called Rapid Fire Round. It's friends in rapid fire command, so you have to answer in one word or one sentence maximum. So we have a subcategory. It's overrated and underrated. Uh, funding,
Highly overrated.
Mentorship.
Highly underrated.
emotional quotient, EQ,
Yeah, I think it's properly rated. I think it's properly rated. I think people care about it now.
My favorite one, passion.
You're not going to like this answer. It is overrated. I feel it's overrated. I think a lot of people come in like me. Like if you see me on any podcast or passion, 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 if there is no plan behind that passion,
Ha, ha, ha,
you're
ha.
going the wrong way. So passion, I think, is overrated. But passion with a plan is chef's kiss. Perfect. That's what's required.
it's a great fuel, but you still need a vehicle.
You need a vehicle.
So if we have a sorry मैं इसमें कर रहा हूँ कि if we have a good plan and we are working on that but passion it's
Then
50% then
देन आपके पास गाड़ी है, पेट्रोल नहीं है, और एक में पेट्रोल है, गाड़ी नहीं है, बट यू नीड बोथ ऑफ देम टुगेदर. अदरवाइज या तो यू लेफ्ट विद द पेट्रोल कैन और अ व्हाइट एलिफेंट. एक चीज रह जाएगी आपके पास.
New trends.
I think they're properly rated. I think everyone goes to new trends like crazy. I mean, everyone is buying new stuff, is wanting to do new stuff, yeah, it's properly rated. It's very exciting.
Got it.
what is something Mr. Somvir Anand is still lacking in and is chasing to improve?
Discipline.
Discipline.
I need much, much, much more discipline than what I have to get where I want to get.
Would you want to explain it a bit?
मतलब हम imagine नहीं कर सकते आपको discipline.
I'll tell you why I told you that I feel it, because I feel like I'm in a comfort zone right now. So I need to now push myself to do something else.
to be out of the box, to be
Yeah,
out of
and
the
I do this
cage.
very often. I'm doing my first art exhibition this weekend. I try to push my body to the limits where I can. I play a lot of sport. I do all that, but that discipline is still not there.
You are a painter, right?
So like differently you that's why you are going to art exhibition kind of thing.
I want to be able to do a lot more. Like, yeah, I'm not very scared about dying. I'm
Scared
very scared
about
about dying.
dying.
I'm very scared about dying because I feel like if I die, no one will remember me. And I want people to remember me. And who I want the most to remember me is my family. And they will have nothing to remember me by if I don't do all these things. It's a very bad way of saying it, but I do lack a little bit of discipline. I'll take that little bit back. I do lack a lot of discipline, and I need to be able to fix that. मेरे को जिम जाना है. ये सारे जिम जाते हैं 2-2 घंटे दिन में. मैं अभी भी जाया, मेरा पूरा जिम किट गाड़ी में पड़ा है. My goal set is everything is lying there. When I'm going back, I see the gym. Then I see my time. 7 बज गए अभी तो.
रोटी का टाइम है.
Yeah.
अभी बजे अभी 8 बजे तक रोटी हो जानी चाहिए.
So that is so
That is a discipline actually.
actually, yeah, but discipline is the wrong. I would.
It's like the
Routine. That's a
optimistic
good
mindset.
routine, yeah.
Discipline तो है भाई.
Sure, vulnerability is a strength. So, what is one best advice you have ever got in your life?
कि दूसरों के लिए कभी ना जीना.
And what's one worst advice you have ever got?
YOLO.
You only live once.
You live multiple goddamn times. कोई जरूरत नहीं है गलत गंदे काम करने की, just because you live only once.
You live every day, I guess.
Yeah.
Live every day. You have many lives to live. You live for your daughters, you live for your wife, you live for your parents, you live for so many things, right? So all this YOLO is a very selfish. I mean, don't know if you have any American listeners, but it's a very American consumerist kind of.
Every day you open your eyes is a new day.
Yeah, every day you
Yeah.
wake up, it's a new life.
Yeah.
And for me,
That's
my
right.
dog wakes me up every day, so she's my. Anyways,
Nice. Sir, एक dream dinner guest would you have? Would like you want to sit and talk with the guy,
if
dead or
my wife is
alive?
not hearing this, Sonali Bendre, for sure.
Why? मतलब what is the reason?
Have you seen her? You'll know why.
After that, अब नहीं मतलब उसके अलावा after that कह रहा हूँ.
Okay, no, I got a good one. So if I wanted to sit down and spend time with someone, it would be Richard P. Feynman. Richard P. Feynman.
Okay.
This guy, I started reading his books in college. And when I told you that I lack discipline, so I tried to model my life a lot around him. This man was the guy, he was a physics professor. I ended up doing entire Caltech physics, this quantum mechanics course online because I wanted to go through his lectures. I went through all his lectures after reading his books. He was a goddamn genius. Why? Because he loved what he did, and there was not one thing he did. So he was a painter, he was a traveler, he was a physics professor, he was so many things. So for me, one dinner guest, and I know you want one line answers, but I'm taking this a little too forward. Is Richard P. Feynman for your audience? Surely you're joking, Mr. Feynman. And Feynman's lectures, six easy pieces and six difficult pieces. So these are the starting books. Please do read them. Not Fidel Castro or what that Che Guevara and all stuff. No, no, no. Richard P. Feynman. Want to sit with him. Just want him to मतलब बोलते रहे बस और हम सुनते रहें क्या हो रहा है. That is the level, the level of awesomeness I think he is.
The last question. You were talking about legacy. This is your last 30 seconds. You have the cameras on you. What would you advise startup founders in Punjab? And like that one.
पहली चीज था, this opportunity has come to you after a very long time. When I was young and I wanted to do a startup, I had funding requirements. I went to the bank of grandpa and grandma, and both bank of Dadi and Dada said कि तू मैकेनिक बनेगा, तू डिलीवरी बॉय बनेगा, तू एक काम करेगा. When I told them I wanted to do something on my own, and I didn't, because I also thought कि they must be correct in some way, right? Today, that's not the case. You have every tool available to you, every tool available for you to build. You want mentorship, you want money, you want, ecosystem, you want a community. It's all available here. You don't need to go anywhere. If you want to build something, do it in Punjab. And Punjab, we need you to build in Punjab. So it's not that you should do it for yourself. You have to do it for the state now. And the reason is that if you don't do it, there will be no state left. Because the reason why Punjab is not a physical or a geographical area. It is a state of mind. It is a state of being. There is no Punjabi. We are all Punjabis, all of us, right? We come from so many different backgrounds, so many different castes, so many different creeds, but we are all one in that sense. And that oneness will get completely destroyed if people don't stay here and live here and live in this community. So if you want to do something for the state, don't donate, don't do all that, but build a company, provide jobs, and there is no better time, and no better opportunity than now.
So, Veeran and Miss, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for doing this with us.
So
And
thank you guys.
before I let you go, I want to interest you in a bad joke. What are your thoughts on like 4-day work week?
So I've been testing out a 3-day work week now for the last 4 years, and my experiments have gone well. My team will tell you that they hardly need me. And I have no, I think 4-day work week is wonderful. मेरे को लगता है आपको घर से काम करना है, आप घर से काम करिए. आजकल ऐसी, as long as my team is not hearing this, I think a 4-day work week is absolutely fantastic. Please stop recording me on the side. I see my team recording it on the side. Ki now we'll get this guy now. I think apart from I am Punjab, because we need to work for the state, a 4-week workday is fantastic for every other organization, and I think it should be more and more done.
And I think your name also defines that. Som, Veer,
Monday,
and
Thursday, Singh.
Anand.
Happy from Monday to Thursday.
Happy from Monday to Thursday. Find joy in Monday to Thursday.
Innovation Mission Punjab should bring 4-day week or 3 Sundays in week that we want, and I feel, will you bring?
Yeah, so we are now making sure that there's 4 extra days a week of work a month. So every Saturday we'll also be working. So thank you so much for suggesting this.
Thanks a lot for doing this, and I think people will get a lot of value and know what is happening actually in Punjab right now. And I think we got to make this.
Thank you guys for doing this, and please do reach out to us. We have a website or something. I hope you'll be able to
Sure,
give a link
sure.
at the bottom. And guys, we're doing this for Punjab. They use us as much as you can, and just make sure that you get your company up. Yeah.
जो आपका एंथुजियाज़म है पंजाब के रिगार्डिंग, पंजाब को ग्रो करने के लिए, पंजाब में इकोसिस्टम लाने के लिए और उसको डेवलप करने के लिए, आई थिंक हैट्स ऑफ टू दैट. एंड मे बी सम कंसेक्टिव ईयर्स यू विल सी मी ऑल्सो सिटिंग outside and with the idea to let's do a fail fast challenge
Get these
with
guys
me.
on a fail fast.
So thank you so much. It means a lot कि आपने अपने busy schedule से time निकाला हमारे लिए, and it felt really great.
It was lovely being with you guys. Thank you so much for being
Thank you
here.
so much.
This is Strangers to Friends podcast. I am Vaibhav Joshi.
This is Saksham Narad.
Meet you in the next episode. Bye.